Good morning, students. I am Shobha Divedi and going to teach you a computer subject for class 7th. I hope you all are well. First of all, I am telling you your unit test syllabus and you all note down these chapters on the first page of your notebook. So, two chapters are coming in your unit test. First chapter name is Computer Hardware Components and second is Number System and Introduction. And now I start the first chapter, that is Computer Hardware Components. In this chapter, you learn about what is computer and different hardware components in detail. Computer, what is computer? First of all, the question is, what is computer? I hope you all are known very well what is computer. Computer is an electronic machine and we can do so many work on computer very easily. A computer system consists of two major elements, hardware and software. Computer hardware is the collection of all the parts you can physically touch, and the software is a set of instructions for all computer to perform specific operations. We need both hardware and software for a computer system to work. There are two types of computer hardware components. First is external and second is internal. So, first we discuss about external hardware. External hardware describes a hardware which is installed outside of the computer. Some are input devices and some are output devices. Some input devices are keyboard, mouse, scanner, and output devices are printer, monitor. So, we discuss the input devices one by one. First, keyboard. Keyboard is the most commonly used input device. It looks like a typewriter. Mostly, the keyboards have around 104 keys. The keys present on the keyboard can be grouped as numeric keys, alphabet keys, function keys, and special keys. Next, input device is mouse. It is a pointing device which is used to control the movement of cursor on the screen. It is also used for selecting and opening programs. Third is scanner. A scanner is an input device. It scans images and text and sends them to the computer, and it's work just like a photocopy machine. Now we discuss about output devices. Output devices, the first is monitor. It is the screen of the computer and it displays the data that we input and the result or the processed output. Next is printer. Printer gives the output in printing format. The printed output is also called a hard copy. Based on the speed of printing, these are classified as character printer, line printers, and page printers. And based on the style of printing, these are impact printers and non-impact printers. Now we discuss about secondary storage devices. What are the secondary storage devices? Some are external hardware, flash drive. Flash drive is also known as pen drive. What is hard drive? External hard drive is a portable storage device which is attached to the computer through a USB or FireWire connection or wirelessly. And pen drive? Pen drive is like a small pen that can be carried in the pocket. Its capacity to store data is much more than a CD, DVD, but less than a hard disk. Then some are drives and ports and modem. The example of these CD, DVD, USB and modem. You know what is modem? Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. It is an electronic device that allows computer to exchange information over telephone lines.